Hello, how to solve x power 9 plus x power 6 is equal to 36 to find the value of x. So, from here x power 9, x power 3 is common, then bracket power of 3. This time this is power of 9 plus, here x power 6, x power 3 is also common, then bracket power of 2. This time this is power of 6, which is equal to 36. Then, in next step, here x power 3 is common, so we let y is equal to x power 3. So we substitute y into our equation, so it will be y power 3 plus y power 2 is equal to 36. Then we take this 36 to the left side, so it will be y power 3 plus y power 2 minus 36 is equal to 0. Then, from this cubic equation, we solve it by factorization. We start by testing y is equal to 0. So, when we test y is equal to 0, we substitute here 0 power 3 is 0, plus 0 power 2 is 0, minus 36, which is equal to negative 36, as is not equal to 0 in our equation. Then we test again y is equal to 1. So, we substitute 1 power 3 is 1 plus 1 power 2 is 1 minus 36, which is equal to negative 34. So this is also not equal to 0. Then again we test with y is equal to 2. So we substitute 2 into our equation to be 2 power 3 is 8 plus 2 power 2 is 4 minus 36. This is equal to negative 36, which is not equal to 0. Then we test y is equal to from 0, 1, 2. So here is we test 3. So when we substitute 3, it will be 3 power 3 is 27 plus 3 power 2 is 9 minus 36, which is equal to this plus this 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So one of the factors for this equation is 3. Then we rewrite our equation, this one, y power 3 plus y power 2 minus 36 is equal to 0. Then from here in our equation, 36 is the product of 4 and 9. But we already get one of the factors in our equation is 3. So 9 is 3 square. Then to split this y square, so y square is equal to, from here 36 is 4 times 9, so it will be 4 times y square minus here 3 times y square. So we will substitute this into here y square. Then in equation here it will be y power 3, then minus 3y square, then plus 4y square, then minus this 36 is equal to 0. Then in next step, here y square is common, so we take y square out of bracket. Then this divided by this is y, this divided by this is minus 3 bracket plus here 4 is common. Then bracket this divided by this is y square, this divided by this is minus 9, bracket is equal to 0. Then this 9 is same as 3 square. So here in equation it will be y square bracket y minus 3 plus 4 bracket y square minus 3 square bracket is equal to 0. Then y square minus 3 square is a perfect square. So we'll apply this rule, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b. So when we compare a square and y square, then a is equal to y, and also when we compare b square and 3 square, then b is equal to 3. Then in next step, we'll substitute the values of a and b into here. Then in our equation, it will be y square bracket y minus 3 plus 4 bracket, then small bracket a plus b is y plus 3 times a minus b is y minus 3 bracket is equal to 0. Then in next step, here in equation y minus 3 is common, so we take y minus 3 out of bracket, then big bracket this divided by this is this y square plus this divided by this, it will be this times this one, so it will be y times bracket y plus 3 bracket is equal to 0. Then in here in equation it will be y minus 3 bracket times bracket this y square plus this times this is 4y, this times this is plus 12 bracket is equal to 0. Then in next step, from here we have two cases, whereas y minus 3 is equal to 0, and another case, this one, y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Then to solve from this first case, negative 3, we take to the right side, so y is equal to 3. And to solve in this second case, we apply discriminant formula, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, whereas a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12. So discriminant is equal to b square. It will be 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 12. Then discriminant is equal to 16 minus 4 times 12 is 48. So this is equal to 48 minus 16 is 32. So here it will be negative 32. So it means when this discriminant is negative or less than 0, there is no real solution. No real solution in this quadratic equation. So the only solution is this one, y is equal to 3. But before, we already learned that in here, y is equal to x power 3. So here we write, but then y is equal to x power 3. So x power 3 is equal to 3. Then we apply cube root in both sides. So this cube root will cancel with cube. Then x is equal to cube root of 3. So this is the final value of x in this problem. Now, to check if this value of x is correct from this problem, to check from the value of x, which is cube root of 3. So we substitute the value of x into here and here. So it will be this cube root of 3 bracket power 9 plus cube root of 3 bracket power 6 is it equals to 36. Then in here it will be 3 cube root is same as 1 over 3 bracket power 9 plus 3 cube root is 1 over 3 bracket power 6. Then is it equals to 36. Then to simplify here, 3 by 1 here by 3, here by 1, here by 2. So it will be 3 power 3 plus 3 power 2 is it equals to 36. Then 3 power 3 is 27 plus 3 power 2 is 9. Is it equals to 36. Then this plus this is 36, which is equal to 36. So left side and right side are equal. Therefore, it's true that the value of x is cube root of 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.